Hey Orion, welcome back to math. Let's begin a new math video. Today we are going to review addition and word problems. Like I said earlier in the week, we will be reviewing everything we've learned in math this year. Let's review our addition checklist. Remember that when you're adding your numbers together, you always want to check the sign first. Are we adding? Are we multiplying? Are we subtracting? Then you want to add your ones. After, you add your tens. And that's it. You solve the problem. Before we begin today's lesson, please go get your place value mat, your tens place value mat or your hundreds place value mat. Pause the video while you get your materials. Awesome. Let's get started. So here you can see that I have a place value mat and I have a number sentence. And my number sentence is 26 plus 33. The first thing I want to do when I am solving an addition problem with two-digit numbers is break apart my numbers. When you're adding two numbers, you want to take the first number in your number problem and you're going to break it apart into ones and tens. Then you're going to take the second number and break it apart into ones and tens. So I have 6 ones, 2 tens, 3 ones, and 3 tens. Then you want to add your ones first and then your tens. If you forget, just read this little note on the bottom. First you add your ones and then your tens. Set up your problem on your place value mat. 45 plus 12. Your setup should look just like what's on the screen. Great job. Now, if you want, you can draw pictures next to your numbers to help you add. I used 1 blocks and I used our 10 blocks. Once you're done drawing your pictures, add them all together. So I'm going to add them all together. Try to solve the problem on your own. Awesome. Count with me. 5 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now I'm going to add my tens. 4 plus 1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 45 plus 12 equals 57. If you remember from your video earlier this week, 57 is 5 tens plus 7 ones. Okay, clear your boards and let's get ready to do another problem. Awesome. Set up your problem just like the screen. 26 plus 33. First you add your ones. 6 plus 3 is 9. Then you add your tens. 2 plus 3 is 5. If it's helpful, count your counters on the side of the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 26 plus 33 equals 59. 59 has 5 tens and 9 ones. "55 plus 11. Set up your problem like it looks on the screen. Remember, first you add your ones, then you add your tens. If you have manipulatives or counters, please use them to help you add. Great job. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 5 plus 1 is 6. 55 plus 11 equals 66. The number 66 has 6 tens and 6 ones. Okay, time for a little brain break. If you would like, please stand up and do some jumping jacks. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome job. Now take a deep breath in, let it out, and let's get back to work. Now we have our hundreds chart. Hundreds, tens, and ones. The number is 543. When you're going to break apart the number 543, you want to make sure that you look at all your numbers carefully. So this is how we do it. The number 543. The number on the end of your number is always your ones. So we have 3 ones. The number in the middle is always your tens. We have 4 tens. And the number in front of your tens is your hundreds. We have 5 hundreds. The number 543 has 5 hundreds, 4 tens, and 3 ones. Let's get your place value mat ready so you can begin adding your 3-digit numbers. Your addition problem is 400 plus 100. Set up your problem. 400 plus 100. 400 plus 100 equals, let's count, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. 400 plus 500 plus 100 equals 500. Now we're adding 540 plus 110. First, I took apart the number 540. I have 5 hundreds and 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. Next, I took apart the number 110. I have 100 plus 10. When you are adding numbers that have 3 digits, you always work from your ones to your hundreds. You always start at your ones to your hundreds. In this case, we have 0 ones. So we are going to start adding at our tens column. You can count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 40 plus 10 equals 50. Then you can start add your hundreds. We have 500 plus 100. Count the counters by 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So 540 plus 110 equals 650. Try to solve this one on your own. Set up the problem on your workboard. Pause the video to solve. Great job. When you're adding your 3-digit numbers, remember you always start adding first in your ones column. I have 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, I'm going to add my tens column. Count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Last, I'm going to add my hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400. So we have 456. So 4 hundreds 5 tens, 6 ones. So remember, when you're adding, to check your addition checklist for your steps. Add your ones first. Check. Add your tens. Check. Then your hundreds. Check. Time for another movement break. This time, let's stand up and do fast jumps. We are going to do fast jumps for 20 seconds. All right, are you ready? Stand up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Way to go. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Find your seat, and let's keep working. This is our plus sign. And these are all the words we've learned this year that help us remember that we're going to add. When we see the words in all, sum, plus, total, and all together in a word problem, we know we will be adding. This is our multiplication sign. When we see the words product, multiplied by, factor, and times in a word problem, we know we will be multiplying. This is our subtraction sign. Difference, take away, remain, fewer, minus. When we see these words, difference, minus, take away, fewer, and remain, we know that we will be subtracting. So let's find the math vocabulary word in our word problem. Jerry has 23 toy cars. He gives his little brother 14 cars. How many cars remain? Take your time to find the math vocabulary word in the word problem. The word remain is our math vocabulary word. When we see the word remain, we are going to subtract the two numbers in our word problem. So we will be subtracting 23 minus 14. Challenge question. Subtract 23 minus 14. Great job. 23 minus 14 equals 9. Lisa has 3 birthday cakes. Each cake has 3 candles. What is the product? Find the math vocabulary word in the word problem. The math vocabulary word in the word problem is product. What operation will we be doing? Are we going to add, multiply, or subtract? We are going to multiply. When we see or hear the word product, we know that we are going to multiply. Lisa has 3 birthday cakes. Each cake has 3 candles. So our multiplication sentence will be 3 times 3 equals 9. If you look at the picture, we have 3 groups of 3. Christy is baking treats. She baked 27 cookies and 21 cupcakes. How many treats did she bake all together? Find the math vocabulary word in the word problem. Great job. Our math vocabulary word is all together. When we see the word all together, we know we are going to add. Challenge question. Add 21 plus 27. Great job. Your answer is 48. Altogether, she is baking 48 treats. Okay, let's have one more movement break before we keep going. This time, we are going to jump back and forth 20 times. Stand up and jump back and forth 20 times. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Walk back to your seats and let's keep working. Now we are going to create a word problem. Jason has 23 Lego pieces. He needs another 23 pieces to finish. How many Lego pieces does Jason have? Our words are difference and all together. Which word should go in the blank? All together. The word we were looking for is all together. Jason has 23 Lego pieces. He needs another 23 pieces to finish. How many Lego pieces does Jason have all together? Challenge yourselves to add the problem. 23 plus 23. Give it a try. 23 plus 23 equals 46. Great job. Here is another problem. Brandon has 47 Fortnite points. He lost 12 points. How many points blank? Which word should fill in the blank? Remain or combined? Great job. Remain should go in the blank. Brandon has 47 Fortnite points. He lost. The word lost tells us that we will be subtracting. He lost 12 points. How many points remain? Or how many points does Brandon have left? The word combined is for addition. Let's keep going. Jacob has 4 math worksheets to do. Each worksheet has 5 problems. What is the blank? Product or fewer? Which word should fill in the blank? That's right, product. What is the product? Jacob has 4 math worksheets to do. Each worksheet has 4 problems. What is the product? We have 2 factors, 4 multiplied by 5. I challenge you to solve the problem. You can draw an array, an equal group, or skip count by 4 or 5. Great job. 4 times 5 equals 20. He has 4 math worksheets, 5 problems on each worksheet. Caroline needs to get ready for the bake sale. She needs to make 20 cookies, 15 cupcakes, 3 cakes, and 10 pies. Blank, how many treats is Caroline making? Which word should go in the blank? Minus or all together? Great job! All together should go in the blank. We want to know how many treats Caroline is making. So we want to add all our numbers in our word problem. 20 plus 15 plus 3 plus 10. Challenge question, solve the problem. 20 plus 15 plus 10 plus 3. Give it a try. Awesome. Our answer is 48. 20 plus 15 plus 10 plus 3 equals 48. 20 plus 15 equals 35. 35 plus 10 equals 45, and 45 plus 3 equals 48. Okay, let's do another one. Jordan is getting ready for a party. He has 5 friends coming. Each friend will get 3 special treats. What is the product or total? Okay, this one is a doozy. This one can be total. What is the total? It can also be what is the product? Sometimes when you read your word problems, you can either multiply or add. Remember, one of the methods we've learned for multiplication is repeated addition. So if you're going to be doing a repeated addition problem, you are finding the total. If you want to use your two factors, which are 3 and 5, you are looking for the product and you're going to multiply. So on this side, I'm going to do the total. Jordan is getting ready for a party. He has 5 friends. Each friend will get 3 special treats. I'm going to add 5 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5. The total is 15. Over here, I'm going to find the product. Five times 3. 5 times 3 equals. 5 and 3 are my factors. I'm going to draw an array. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I have 5 rows, 3 in each column. So 5 times 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So remember, when you're reading your word problems, to find that clue word that will help you solve the problem. Sometimes one word can help you solve the problem in 2 different ways. So we solve the problem in one side using addition and on the other side using multiplication. Our answers are the same, but how we did it is different. Amazing work this week in math.